mayamna AR haraga khangnariba lami makhal asi India gi yamna lidaba paramilitary forces amani Assam Rifle na sizinariba khulai asi maming oina khara pallabada small arms da Insas rifle AK-47 amadi 9mm pistol ni Nasigi video simasu yamna nungaiba video ama oigani haina khalli adubu aikhoigi leibak asidadi yamna tathiba adugumba makhalgi lanmi ni madudi Assam Rifle asini mayamna AR haraga khangnariba lanmi makhal asi India gi yamna lidaba paramilitary forces amani magi motto di Friends of Hill People Sentinel of the Northeast haiba asini AR asi First World War amadi Second World War su saru yaki hari masi 1835 hariba chahi asimaktada home tawkhibani so hari ngasidagi chahi chamaga mawdragi mamangdani hauji lairiba lani asi lesing humanga ga chamaga nifu humdoi lai so hari aduga masigi annual budget asi Indian rupee da hairagana 13,556.89 crores ni aduga US dollar da hairagana 1.6 billion ni hari operation jurisdiction masida hairagana North East amasung Jammu and Kashmir hariba mafam sing asidani hawjiki oina AR gi battalion asi nifu ga taruk lai so hari India government gi one border amasung one force policy gi matung ina Indo-Myanmar border asi ngakpagi thaudang asi Assam Rifle na tawi so hari makhoi gi headquarter asi Meghalaya gi Shillong hariba mafam asida OS so hari aduga mana agency executive ta hairagana mingoina pallabada Lieutenant General Vikas Latkhera hariba miu asini masi central government na Indian Army gi Lieutenant General gi officer amadagi khanbani makoi gi thaudang sing adudi under the control of Indian Army by conducting counter-insurgency operation amasung border security operation ni aduga karigumbada micham singi mating pangba angang singda lereng tambiba medical gi oiba polam sing piwiba layeng biba etc hariba sing asina chingbani karigumba langi matamda Assam Rifle asi darkar oirakpa taragadi makhoi asi combat force oina sijinabasu yai hari mahaki governing body hargadi Ministry of Home Affairs haribasini adom soidana khangba pambirambani madudi Indian Army ga Assam Rifle ga hariba ani asi karida khenabagi haibadu Indian Army gi thaudang asi national security bu ensure tawba aduga national unity peace ohenba haiba asini aduga Indian Army Ministry of Defense haribasigi makhada thabak tawba lami makhalamani adubu AR gidi animaki control system oi hari aduga masi India gi khwaidigi diraba paramilitary forces amani so haijakre masi military anina control tawi so hari madudi Ministry of Home Affairs MHA Ministry of Home Defense MOD harib ani sinani madudi Assam Rifle recruitment gi matangda samlakpa kharadang khangminasi ahanbada physical test PST PET harib ani si tawani ani subada written test ahum subada skill test mari subada medical test manga subadana merit list tawgadariba exam sing asida negative marks su leite hari makhoi gi rank structure asi maming oina khara pallabada junior rank da haragana nayak habildar nayab subidar hariba sing asini high level leadership da haragana maintenance group Assam Rifle MGAR haribasini command tawribasina Lieutenant Colonel Indian Army dagi sector HQ haribasina brigadier from Indian Army haribasidagini Inspector General AR IGAR Major General from Indian Army dagini aroibada Director General Assam Rifle DGAR haribasina Lieutenant General from Indian Army haribasidagini makoi gi salary asidana chawrakna Lising kun mathoi ga chatre tagina lising marfu mathoi ga chama pawa oi hari tawbatabu rank gi matung ina khara khenai Assam Rifle na sizinariba khulai asi maming oina khara pallabada small arms da Insas rifle AK-47 amadi 9mm pistol ni machine gun dana light machine gun LMG amadi medium machine gun MMG haribasini rocket launcher dana 84mm Carol Guston rocket launcher haribasini vehicle da haragana BEML Tata truck Ashok Leyland Topsy F-80 vehicle amasung artillery support ni surveillance equipment dana specialized equipment for handling amasung explosive device ki disposal asina chingba kaya ama laikhre makoi training asi ꯃꯈꯜ ꯈꯔ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯗꯤ physical test, weapon familiarization, psychological preparation, general knowledge GK amasung current affairs, coaching and study materials, basic military training haribasing asini makoina tawribasina counter insurgency, border guarding, international peacekeeping, joint operation. Specific example khara pallabada operation Dudi, joint operation in Manipur. Handakta Manipur dagi tongan ba makhalgi khuchu khulaising fagat khibatusu makhoi yawi. Indo-Myanmar border dagi Assam Rifle na yamlaba khuchu khulai kaya ama recovery tawbu ngamki adusu Nagaland gi Indo-Myanmar border manaktagi haribasing asini Assam Rifle hariba mingasi thondringai matamda ming khara leirami madudi 1883 Assam Frontier Police, 1881 Assam Military Police, masigi mathagda 1913 dana Eastern Bengal amasung Assam Bengal Police thonki hari matam masida Assam Rifle gi battalion mari khakta leirami su hari horopadadi Assam Rifle asi personnel chatre ka yankai khak oirami su hari matam gi matungina asum tapna yamba hingalakli aduga mana First World War torpo matam aduda ahen balami mathau tarpadagi lan yaunabagi dawangta personnel lising ohum Europe amadi Middle East da haki so hari matam aduda regular army regiment haribasing asi laifamda punna saruk yaminaduna mayuk dakhi makoina su araiba mathauda phuduktuna lanthengnaki masina maram moraga 1917 da makoi gi mingasibo Assam Rifle haiduna thonki Second World War da su dumangai Imperial Japanese singa lanthengnaki hari Assam Rifle gi infrastructure, salary, facility haribasing asina Ministry of Home Affairs na pi hari aduga mana deployment, posting, transfer haribasing asina Indian Army na tawe su hari ngasigidi matang asid loisilage video sibu nungai biu targadi like, subscribe, share, comment tobiramo aina haibada soiki bamadi walau biawrgasu memna ngakpi